Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Kraken fishing rod pet in Pet Sim 99. To begin your quest, you'll need to reach the fishing area, which unlocks after progressing through the game's main zones. Once there, equip your best fishing rod and some bait. The Kraken rod is a highly sought-after pet, exclusively obtainable through the fishing minigame. It requires significant dedication and a bit of luck. Mastering the fishing minigame is crucial for your success. Cast your line into the water and patiently wait for an exclamation mark to appear, indicating a bite. Then, quickly reel in your catch by timing your clicks or taps precisely to keep the indicator within the green zone. Improving your fishing stats, perhaps through enchantments or potions, will significantly boost your odds of finding rare items, including the elusive Kraken rod. The Kraken fishing rod is renowned for its extreme rarity. Its drop rate from fishing is incredibly low, making it one of the most challenging pets to acquire. While there isn't a guaranteed method, using luck enchantments on your gear and consuming luck potions can offer a slight advantage. Ultimately, obtaining this pet is a test of perseverance, often requiring many hours of consistent fishing attempts. To maximize your chances, always fish in the highest tier areas you can access, as these often have better base drop rates for rare items. Consider joining a group or playing with friends. Some game mechanics allow shared luck boosts, making the grind a bit easier. Remember, patience is key, and every cast brings you closer. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.